So I'm so excited because I was kind of bummed. So I was playing a lot on this game, and when I got to these, I couldn't see which ones I got, which was a bummer, but I'm like, I won them anyway. And the rush, adrenaline rush, is like, oh, just want to get it because everybody's, is reserving them, and you only have 5 minutes to check out, and then you can extend it to 15 minutes while you're checking out. But it was an intense game, guys. And yeah, so I didn't get to see what's inside, and I'm hoping, so these are the big into energy ones. Ooh, there we go. So I'm hoping to get the green one and this one, the lotta. So let's see if I got them. Fingers crossed. Because otherwise my search will not be over. Or, ultimately, I do want the secret one. Although there was like 1 in 72 chances. That would be amazing if I got it. But let's just not get our hopes up. But maybe, just maybe, I will be lucky today, at least with the 2, if not a secret one. All right, so let's open up. Let's see. So the moment of truth. Which one's it? I got the luck! Oh my god! I got the luck one! So freaking cute. I love. So maybe it's my lucky day today and I get the secret one. Who knows? I absolutely love it. Alright, next one. Well, this is different. Didn't expect that. Is this the secret ID? Could it be? Could it be? Because the other one was just a regular, like this. This one came like with a pouch, and they're all coming from Pop Mart. I have it on the website. I know they're coming from a legit site, but I just never seen it like this. Which one is it? What is this one? Oh my god, this one's super cute. Which one is this? Oh, that's the loyalty. I did not expect this one to be this cute. Not one that I was hoping for, but man, that is so freaking cute. Oh, I love it. That is really, really cute. Wow. Such a fun color. Well, I did not expect this one, but it's super cute. So there's loyalty. And my luck. So I love them so far. I got my luck. So we got one more, guys. One more, and then there's 3 coming, so I still have 3 more chances of getting the secret ID. But the bag is interesting. I just didn't expect this kind of bag. Are they changing the bag so you can maybe store them? Something new. All right, last one. Which one's it gonna be? All right, let's see. And it came in the same kind of bag. Very interesting. I wonder if they're changing the designs of the bags. Well, let's see which one this is. Oh my god! Is that the serendipity one? Oh my god. So cute. So I'm not mad because I did get the 2 that I was hoping for, so I wonder what the other ones are. So my 3 labubus to the collection. I love them all. I just love them all. That's all that it is. And I'm obsessed. Yeah, it's become an obsession. I said I was gonna get only 1. Yeah, now I have 3 and 3 are coming on the way, you know. It's a real thing. It's a real hype because, yeah, never thought I would be getting them, but here I am with labubus. They're so cute. And I got this one's super cute. I actually really like this one too. But of course the luck, such a beauty. And serendipity, so cute. I'll look for more. There's 3 more coming. 3 more coming. Hopefully it's the secret ID.